have you here today. And before we proceed, before you tell us your purpose of coming and introducing your team, I want to introduce my team of management. At the head of the affair is my general manager, Comrade Bradshaw. And seated next to him is the controller at B, Augusta. Assistant General Manager, Finance and Accounts. Seated next to her, Mrs. Deborah Alberto. So with Isaac Spidaho is the controller representation. Seated next to her. Seated next to him is Manager Enterprise, Bessie Olude. The Chief Engineer of the service is seated next to her, Engineer Men's Osabi. Manager Programs, Mrs. Park Obekwe. The head of camera unit, Mr. Ken. Mr. Kenneth Obasui. And my humble self, Jennifer Ison. I'm the controller corporate affairs. Please, you introduce your team.
We are Edo Artists Association of Nigeria. I have here my comrade, my elder. I start from the elder side. All right. I have seated here my president, Sylvester Matia. We have one of our elders and BOT member of the association, Mr. Henry Legema. President, Mr. Joseph Mwango. And I have a member here, Mr. Ilebo Usamoyi. I have a very strong member, Miss Noella Edi. I have a strong member too, Mr. Ivan Precious. And if I want to go like this, all right, I have on the extreme right, Mr. Usaza Usagi. And we have the he's in the two places. All right, I will introduce him, Mr. Courage. We have our sister over there, Sister Sarafina. And I have a strong member too, Greg Igbinosun. We have a member there too, MC Youngest. And we have our beloved Sister Sophia. And I have our former PRO, Abraham Asemota. And my humble secretary general.
Please, can you tell us your purpose of coming to see us today?
I would like to say thank you for receiving us, Mr. GM. My name is Yugo Salegama. I'm a filmmaker and a member of this association. And as we call ourselves, is the body of all.
Please feel free, sit down.
Okay. So it's a very informal setting. I like that one. Edo Artists Association of Nigeria is the umbrella body of all practicing artists in Edo State. Whether you are a painter, you're a sculptor, you are a musician, you are an actor, director, producer, you cannot practice here unless you are a member of NEA. You know, so seeing this background, you understand that it is a very strong association. We are over 2,000 membership. Yeah. We've been on now for over 20 years, about that. You know, and we just had our elections, and my humble brother here became the president of the association. We, as artists, one of the windows of distribution for our job is the television or the radio. And we cannot be operating if we have no synergy between your organization and us. So it is our purpose for coming. We need to start a relationship assuming we don't have before, you know, and chart out ways we can probably get, you know, programs, content for your programming, you know. So is the reason why we came, and we need to really talk about all of that, you know. So thank you for accepting us, and thank you for receiving us. Thank all of you.
Thank you very much. or shall I say our comrades in business. What we do is basically the same. Without content, you can't drive a broadcasting house. And yours is to provide that link, the content, which is the hub of modern broadcasting. We are particularly happy to receive you, to tell you that whatever you are doing, we are going to support you. It is because we've not been seeing you that sometimes you may have to take the pain of writing. There are so many associations you see these days. Sometimes you are not able to tell one from the other because what they do are similar. And because sometimes the activities are ephemeral. But by the time you mention that you've been in business for the past 20 years, it gave us joy because we've been in broadcasting before all existing stations in Edo State and Delta State, with the possible exception of just NTA. So we have something in common, heritage of history and qualities to show for it. I'm encouraging you to continue with it. If you have challenge, let us know. You want to shoot, you are having challenges, we have different places you can shoot. We have beyond this establishment here that all of you tend to know. At Iyere, we have almost a similar compound, as big as this. We have wide expanse at Ivwe in Uromi, near Uromi. Iyere is in Onwan West, the Onwan East local government area. We have a television, radio station there, 98.3 FM. Perhaps a good number of people don't really know our tentacles. Sometimes when we meet like this, it's good, we let you know. Let us also try that whatever we do, we also put the interest of the rural people. The opium of broadcasting of the moment is television. A good number of people don't pay attention again to radio, except perhaps tuk-tuk drivers and those who are traveling, because it's easy for them to just access without payment. By the time we realize that there are so many villages that don't have access to electricity, that do not have access to broadcast activities, it is then we begin to realize that God has favored a good number of you, a good number of us. As we are talking, you will just hear, is it possible that there are villages without BEDC? There are so many. That some plant bamboo stick in an attempt to have area wire. And maybe a particular time of the day they are able to access maybe 1 or 2 radio stations. When we are in the city like this, sometimes let's sit down and talk as colleagues. But 24 hours. There is no media executive that can extend 24 hours. It is not elastic. In the newspaper industry, tabloids you can enlarge, supplementary pages. So time is of essence. The airspace is there. And the airspace, how you manage it, everything revolves around time, need. We focus on one person. The person is just making a speech for 5 minutes. You are on that person in the drama. It's not supposed to be. You have disconnected minutes. you made the business of the person that is going to broadcast it for you very difficult. And you watch some dramas, you will also find that some use 5 seconds. They are just getting different angles. You are shooting me, camera is just on face me and face position. They are not getting it whether I managed to take what do they call it? Osusu.
Jim,
So
see
very
us
much.
past that level. A
Yes.
long time ago.
Yes. No, some dramas come when we want to air.
Becomes a problem.
Becomes a problem because you are watching. What you are watching is it's almost like stationary. It takes a long time. It's for all of us, both for you and for us here.
All our association members have passed that level.
Okay.
All of them. We own a school, a film school.
Okay.
And some people were trained as, I am like 42 years old in the business. Some people are 30 years, some are 25, some are, So some of them went through the Aeon Film School. So they are trained properly. And I would like my president to actually read his speech, then we'll take it from there. So we can gist and discuss what we can do.
I think, James, I think there was no need for me to tell you, I will have it. What I tend to add to what my guy has said is you people have to help us because entertainment without broadcasting is nowhere. Oftentimes, anytime we see cameraman running around at cultural center, either somebody is dead, maybe they heard bad news about us. We people supposed to have media outfit where anything that has to do with entertainment here will always be reported. I think over the years we have not had that, and that is the reason why we are here, because we can't just be wearing our best clothes in the dark. Somebody has to expose us, tell the world what we have here. Not all about Lagos artists and all that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Just write your phone number there.
In addition to that, I think we need to set up. We used to have a program on EBS. At least I know that we paid for like 3 quarters or 4 quarters then to run it, and we would like something like that to come back. Then we probably will have, a program dedicated to dramas from our people. You know what I'm saying? So we probably will make money from the jingles or advert that comes or trailers that come. That's where we probably will share. We probably will meet and discuss modalities for such moves. It is one way to open our distribution network, and it's another thing to provide content for your broadcast station. So I think those are some things we can begin to talk about. We usually have our festival, Aeon Festival, every year. We bring cultural groups from all the local government, two different cultural groups from all the local government, and we usually run it for 3 days. It starts with the carnival floats, then it culminates at the Oba's Palace, where we entertain at the palace the whole of that day. That is where all those cultural groups will perform. EBS used to be our media partner those days. They used to come cover the ceremonies, for the days. So I want us to go back to this relationship.
I think the relationship has always been there. It's just that some of us have not been tapping into it. If you watch CNN and other foreign stations, there is what we call iReporter. It simply means everybody is a reporter.
Of course.
In the internet, people do a lot of postings. If you are doing ceremony and you need relevant contacts, EBS will certainly be there. But if you plan and you are doing exhibition, EBS is not informed, it's not programmed into it, it becomes a problem because we are not magicians. So the moment you keep us posted, we will always do our best because one of the things in this period of stress, much as government is doing to get so many people engaged, there will still be people who will be struggling to be engaged because vacancies are limited, whether in the private sector or the government sector. So you find that when you are able to give people alternatives, though they may not have too much to do, the little they are able to do, you entertain them, encourage them that life has value. They learn lessons. The only appeal just reminded me to make is that it is not mandatory. But if you take it as a social responsibility, you'll find that you are helping to build a society when your productions are instructional. So many productions are more or less trailers. It's just produce and people just make noise, that people just have interest. At the end of it, for your generation and my generation, the kind of novels we read, they are not just novels we read and say, oh, this is what happened. At the end of it, there was something gained. There was something that was a lesson. I was trying to watch a drama yesterday. There is this talk about people with ability to sleep with other women. Many people call it a billowy. That because I was looking at it, my concern is what will the society gain from it. So if we put societal dividends, we put it into consideration, and we try to make people believe that evil is bad, you'll find that whether you like it or not, you are helping to shape. Imagine a marriage ceremony produced by you, and you try to discourage words without source. Another man produces words without source. You are selling values into people's souls. And remember a story, this is factual. It happened in Ondo State here during the time of land development, community development association. A particular chairman was so rich, had guns and wanted to marry. A youth couple who came to that environment, he was able to woo her, and he wanted to marry that couple, whose parents were living in Ondo State. On the day he proposed for the marriage, he packed all his boys. Very close to the house of the girl, they stopped. They wanted people to know that they had arrived. Boo, 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 boo. They had police escort and all. And the father of the girl said, look at this mad men in this environment. We've not had this type of noise in this area for a very long time. Who are these people? And somebody jokingly said, are you sure they are not coming to look for you? He should realize it that nobody will look for him with such funfair. By the time somebody came and said they were the prospective in-laws, the man said, this is an act of brigandage. In a civilized society, you don't disturb the peace of society. Yes, the brigands were given the opportunity to advertise their wares, but the same people in society, the man refused. That marriage never held. But if all true, we just allow it to go, it doesn't matter. Our children will get a message that nothing matters. So you people are special human beings. And if we allow your specialty to go into your productions, you find that we'll be helping the society far more than your expectation. We refer back to the type of books we read. Some were nonsensical in college. Some were factual. Because we were not well civilized, we accepted teachings that Mogopa discovered in Niger. Whereas Agani Buddha people and all the rest
We have been living there
for years. Writing history without reference to other people. So you imagine we accepted such teachings. We used them we wrote them in exam and passed. Meanwhile, we wrote nonsense. And our teachers then marked nonsense.
That's ignorance.
All these have been corrected. So let us begin that process of correcting society and take it as a challenge that, yes, we have so much to do. Government is just doing little of the so many things that ought to be done in society. Performing artists, these are special people. It's just because of the kind of environment we find us. How many people can write? So many people can maybe play 1 or 2 roles, but a good number of people can't write a script. Let alone
I think there are people.
Allow them to come here. Allow them to come here at least. Chairman, Mr. President, though we about the summary of what we came here to do is to seek collaboration, and we have pledged to assist you. Your visit is successful. Your talent is excellent. You have the human resources to achieve your goal. And we want to congratulate you once again.
Please take Association name of my president.
But we're continuing.
Good morning.
Please, can you tell us the reason why we are here?
Ayan paid a courtesy visit to the management, the general manager and the management of Edo Broadcasting Service. That's why we're here. And I can tell you it was a very well thought out plan and actualized properly. A lot of positive results came out from the visit, and we're looking forward to having, very positive relationship with EBS.
Please, what was AYAN all about?
AYAN is the umbrella body that supervises and formulates principles and plans for all practicing artists of Edo State extraction. That's what AYAN is about.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you please tell us your name?
My name is Emanuela Osabuetiko.
So, tell us the purpose of this visit.
Yeah, I come here today is to renew our partnership and friendship with Edo Broadcasting Service, EBS. So that's why we are here today.
And this is AYAN body. What is it all about?
AYAN body is all about entertainers in Edo State. Like you, an actor, a singer, a script writer, all of them. So AYAN as a body is all about entertainment.
I heard there's a new president in that body.
Exactly.
So what do you have to say about him?
Well, I think AYAN is blessed to have him as president. I, for one, I can say I'm blessed having Mr. Wadia as my new president, because I know, as you can see, the first move, it tells that yes, something big and something good is on the way. So we are glad to have him as our president.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, may I know your name?
My name is Osamoyi Excellent Ilebo.
Tell us the purpose of this visit.
Sometimes I would just say, being the kind of job that we do, we are supposed to have a one-on-one business with this station. You understand? And the main purpose is we have a new president now. There are some kind of things that we've been lacking off for some time now. So we want to at least revoke every other thing. Revive, Abi. Want to revive it, you understand? So that is how it is. We have to visit Edo State, what's it called, EBS, Edo Broadcasting Service. So that is how it is. That's all I know about it.
So what do you have to say about this, your new president?
Before he become my new president, I can't, you know, as human being, you can't just describe human being that he's too lame for today. But he has been a good person long before this hour. So, and I believe being him the president with what I'm seeing now, with the move he's just taking now, the sky is his limit when it comes to those artist association.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Please, may we know your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Austin Nice Oyebu.
What was the purpose of this visit to Edo Broadcasting Service today?
Well, the purpose of the visit to Edo Broadcasting Service is to create awareness, is to sell air to the world. So that's why we actually came here, and we came. We are so glad, and I'm so glad that it was a successful meeting with the Edo Broadcasting Service management and the other members of Edo Broadcasting Service.
About the new elected president, what do you have to say about him?
Fantastic. You know, like I think the new elected president is doing fabulously well. He's doing a great job for bringing the AIR members together and to go on a courtesy visit to make this move. And I am one person who is going to support him anytime, any day. Whenever he calls me, I'm going to be there for him because I love what he is doing right now. I love the beginning, and I know the end is going to be a huge success.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day, sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, may we know your name?
Well, I'm Sylvester Wadia, and by the special grace of God Almighty, I'm the new president of Edo Artists Association of Nigeria. And this is our first move. We are here at Edo Broadcasting Service to pay them courtesy visits. No entertainment without media publicity and all that is like, you know, doing your best in the dark. And we are here to some kind of partnership, see the way we can work hand in hand, work with them and all that. So I so much thank God that the courtesy visit were well received, and there is hope. Thank God for that. And I have to also appreciate each and every one of us that was called at the late hour, who find that time to honor my invitation. I say God Almighty, and I also want to use this medium as well to tell all members I don't have my favorite. We are all one. If I happen to call you, see it as a call to service. If I didn't call you, don't see it as maybe we are not one or we are not friends. No. Somehow, someday, maybe we'll also be called, because this is just the beginning of it. More togetherness, more work to do together and all that. So I thank God for the success so far.
Oh, sir, please, this body AIR, what is it all about?
AIR is an umbrella body for all entertainers in Edo State. In AIR you have producers, in AIR you have directors, in AIR you have actors, because to me it's just like a body that brings all areas of the profession together. So that is why when you go to AIR meeting, you can be rest assured that even if you don't want to employ somebody outside the AIR members, you are sure that whatever you want, you can get it there. It's a body for all entertainers, if I must use that word.
If I must say president, being a member and being a president is a different ballgame.
Yeah.
So, now, presently now, your members demand a lot from you.
Yeah.
So what do you have to give to them?
Well, it's part of why we are here, because it's not about sharing money. I don't have it, but I think I will give them quality leadership. And first thing first, we are into showbiz. Showbiz has so much to do with TV, and TV house is where we are today. So this is just the first step. We hope to move to other television stations, media houses, give them that proper and right direction to move, so that nobody will marginalize us or underrate us. And that is what I intend to offer.
Thank you very much, sir.
With the help of the government, corporate body, and all that, because the work of the job of the president of an association is bigger than just going to meeting, read the minutes, say the day's agenda and all that. So many things need to be done in terms of empowerment. So we are working towards that direction by the grace of God.
Thank you very much, sir.
Very well.
Congratulations.
Very well.